So let's take a look at this Boxy Charm for the month of September. And I'm going to open it so that you can see what's inside. If I can open up this knife. How do you open the knife?
Push the button. It's a switchblade.
Oh, okay. You open it for me, please.
Okay.
Totally illegal. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to open it up. It's easier if you turn the box upside down. And I'm going to put the knife right here on the coffee table. Okay, we're going to open this box up. Woohoo! Let's see what we have. Let's look at our little menu. Wow. We have Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette, Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, Moda 5-piece brush set, Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner, Billion Dollar Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen, and let's open up the package. Whoa, this looks really cool. I know somebody that likes to pop these. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Look at this palette. Beautiful palette. We have Billion Dollar Microblade Effect Brow Pen. Very nice. Very nice. We'll be trying that. And these are very nice. Look at these beautiful brushes. It's a 5-piece set. Okay. And we've got a Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Hank and Harry. Very nice. And this is Hydrobiotics Recovery Sleeping Mask. I'm going to open it up. And it says a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by a biotic balancing complex to balance skin's naturally occurring flora. Soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming ingredients work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. It says apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse and use nightly. It deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, locks in moisture to prevent water loss. Wow, that sounds really good. Okay. And that's what we got in this month's Boxy Charm. So we're going to put it all back. Where's the wrapping, the paper I need to put in there? Okay, I'll get it later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Did he give you that?